Framer template not working? Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you expect everything to just work out of the box. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, try reloading the template. I mean, sometimes it just doesn't load properly the first time. Next, check if any images, fonts, or components are missing. Yeah, templates often break if assets don't load correctly. Now, look for broken components or error messages. Even one broken element can mess up the whole template. If the template uses CMS, make sure all content is filled in. Empty fields can cause sections to not show properly. Also, go to page settings and verify things like homepage, slug, and visibility. I mean, wrong settings can break the template. Next, remove any unused or duplicate sections. Yeah, too many elements can sometimes cause issues. And uh, clear your browser cache and refresh. Sometimes you're just seeing an outdated version. If it's still not working, duplicate the template and start fresh from the copy. I mean, this can fix weird bugs instantly. So yeah, that's how you fix a Framer template that's not working. One of these steps should get everything running smoothly again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.